Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up sliding closet doors. First, accurately measure your closet opening's width and height. This ensures you purchase the correct door size and track system. Next, check that your floor and ceiling are level. This is crucial for smooth operation. Finally, gather all your tools, including a drill, level, and tape measure, to be fully prepared for installation. Now, let's install the tracks. Begin by securing the top track to the header inside your closet opening, ensuring it's perfectly level. This track guides the top rollers of your doors. Next, position the bottom track directly below the top track. Use a level to confirm precise alignment before drilling pilot holes and fastening it securely to the floor. Proper track alignment is key for smooth door movement. With the tracks in place, it's time to hang your doors. Start by tilting the first door into the top track's rear channel. Lift it slightly, then lower the door onto the bottom track's corresponding rear groove. Ensure it sits firmly. Repeat this process for the second door, placing it into the front channel of the top track and the front groove of the bottom track. Take your time for a secure fit. Finally, let's make some adjustments and add the finishing touches. Adjust the door rollers as needed to ensure your doors slide smoothly and effortlessly. This often involves turning a screw on the roller mechanism. Next, install anti-jump clips on the top track. These prevent the doors from accidentally coming off. Lastly, attach your chosen door pulls or handles for convenient and easy operation. Enjoy your new sliding closet doors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.